I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and we're at the 2011 Custom Home and Remodel Show at Gilead Auditorium. We're talking with David Hill with the Verdi Company. How you doing, David?
I'm great. How are you, Tim?
Good, good, thank you. David, we're here on the third floor of Gilead Auditorium in the Architects Gallery of Custom Homes. You have a display here. What are you displaying to the public?
Well, I think we've taken a little bit different approach because being an architect and a builder, we're trying to show a little bit more of how we do what we do. And the end results, the pretty pictures, which we all have, all the architects have, are sort of brought in to augment that story about how we do it.
Yeah, and you mentioned pretty pictures. The Architects Gallery of Custom Homes is designed to showcase all of the participating architects' work, and from the public standpoint, we hope that by viewing your work, it'll provide some inspiration. Maybe they'll be able to get some ideas, whether they're just looking for a small remodel project or a full-blown new construction home.
Right. Well, of course, our focus, as you know, is green building. And what we find at shows like this is that an awful lot of people are familiar with the term but have no idea really how it might apply to what they want to do, whether that's starting from scratch and building a house or doing a remodel or renovation or even a small project. And we've been doing this for 25 years, so I hope part of our role here is educational.
And what does it mean to build a greenhouse?
Well, I'll tell you, for us, 95% of it is trying to get the basics right. If we can build a home that is strong, that is well insulated, that is tight, that we're making good materials decisions on the inside and the outside of the house, that we're watching what we're doing in terms of finishes and indoor air quality, that we're sizing the heating and air conditioning systems correctly. If we're doing all those things, which really we all should be doing anyway, as well as a lot of times we do, I guess I call it, we put our clients on a little bit of a square footage diet.
What's the cost per square foot if you're going to build our house?
Well, there's that. And of course, the green elements are not what drives that cost. Quite often it's the finishes. It's the plumbing fixture package and the flooring and the different things like that. But for us, instead of a 3,500 square foot house, can we be creative in the design process and come up with a 3,000 square foot house that does everything you want it to do, and we just built 500 less square feet. That's 500 less to pay for at the front end, to heat and cool, to clean, which can be a big issue. And I think a lot of people are seeing the benefits of downsizing these days, and so I think what we've got to say is resonating pretty well with people today.
I'm hearing that message you're sending of you're helping homeowners save money ultimately.
Right, right, and trying to show them, at least the way we look at green building, that you're not necessarily taking on additional expense and burden at the front end budget of the construction. There are some very smart decisions you can make that are low cost or even no cost decisions.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, how can folks get in touch with you at the Verdi Company?
We've got a great website. Appreciate you asking. It is theverdicompany.com.
All right. All right. Well, we've been talking with David Hill with the Verdi Company here in the Architects Gallery of Custom Homes at the Custom Home and Remodel Show at Gilead Auditorium. Thanks so much, David.
Great. Thank you.